हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल जर्मन गीक। और आज के एपिसोड में हम बात करेंगे पोजेसिव प्रोनाउन इन नॉमिनेटिव केस. Personal pronoun in nominative case I've already talked about in my previous video, and today we are going to start with lesson 24, that is possessive pronoun in nominative case. So without delay, let's get started. Now, what is possessive pronoun? We are going to learn it in nominative case. There are 4 cases. So the first one is nominative, and that is what we are going to see today. So uh, you must have heard mein, ihr, sein, euer, etc. So these are possessive pronouns. For example, mein Name ist Lisa. Guten Tag, wie ist Ihr Name? Ist das dein Buch? So we have already learned personal pronouns in nominative case in lesson 13. If you have not watched that video, please go and watch that video. Today we are going to learn possessive pronouns in nominative case. Now what are personal pronoun? First, I'm just going to give you a quick recap of what are personal pronouns in nominative case. Do you still remember them in detail? I have covered it in one of my videos, so I'll paste the link below in the description box and you can go and watch that video. So I'm just going to give you a quick recap. Now, the personal pronoun in nominative is in singular, it is ich, du, sie, es, and in plural we have wir, ihr, and sie. So these are personal pronouns in nominative case. So for every pronoun in German, there is a possessive pronoun. So let's look at the first one, possessive pronoun in nominative case. The first one is ich, that we just saw. For every personal pronoun, there is a possessive pronoun. So whenever there is ich, the possessive pronoun in nominative case would be mein. Hi, ich bin Peter. Ich komme aus Hamburg. Now, what is the article of Fernseher? Fernseher means TV. The article is there. So, das ist mein Fernseher. This is my television. So, whenever the article of the noun is there, in this case, their Fernseher is the noun, the article is there, you will use the possessive pronoun as mein. Now, let's look at another noun which has a different article, not there but a different article. So das Auto, and das ist mein Auto. So whenever the article of the nouns is das, in that case you will use the possessive pronoun as mein in nominative case. So das ist mein Auto. So now let's look at a feminine article, a noun that has a feminine article. Die Katze, das ist meine Katze. Whenever the article of the noun is die, you will use the possessive pronoun as meine. Das ist meine Katze. Please note the ending e here. It's no more mein like in there and das, it's meine. Das ist meine Katze. Now, this is a plural case. Die Bücher, das Buch, and the plural is die Bücher. So, whenever the article of the nouns, as we just saw in the feminine, is die, you will always use the possessive pronoun in nominative case as meine. Das sind meine Bücher. Now let's look at the second kind of pronoun, that is du But what is the possessive pronoun? The personal pronoun is du and the possessive pronoun is dein or deiner. Now, wie heißt du? Woher kommst du? That du. Is that what I'm trying to explain? But what is the possessive pronoun of that? Der Fernseher. Now, when we are using a possessive pronoun for du, it would be dein. So, because the article of Fernseher is masculine, that is there, ist das dein Fernseher. So, whenever the article of the noun is there, in this case, again, der Fernseher, the possessive pronoun will be mein, as we just saw with ich. With du, it would be dein. Now, when you have the article das, it would be ist das dein Auto. So, we are using dein because of the pronoun du, and we are using dein with masculine and neutrum. Masculine article was Fernseher, TV, and neutrum is das with car, auto. Now, let's look at the feminine article. Die Katze ist das deine Katze. So, we just noticed with mine also, it was meine Katze. With dein also, it would be deine Katze. So, with plural, die Bücher, sind das deine Bücher? If you could see. So, the point here is with feminine and plural, you would use deine, sind das deine Bücher, ist das deine Katze. So, you have to remember that feminine and plural will take the ending e here. Sind das deine Bücher. Now, let's move on to next set of personal pronoun and possessive pronoun. For we use the possessive pronoun sein or seiner. Now, again, I have taken the same example, der Fernseher, which is masculine. So, das ist sein Fernseher. This is his television. For neutrum, for Auto, that is das Auto, das ist sein Auto. So, here for masculine and neutrum, we are again like mein, dein, we are using for sein. So, das ist sein Auto. This is his car because possessive pronoun shows the possession, the belonging of something. Now, again with feminine article, it would be das ist seine Katze. This is his cat. And same for plural, it would be das sind seine Bücher. These are his books. So, again for feminine and plural, we are using seine with the ending e here because feminine and plural, the article is die, and for masculine and neutrum, we are using sein because the plural is there and das. Now, let's look at another set of pronoun, that is sie, ihr or ihre, which means her. So, das ist Julia. Sie kommt aus Frankfurt. So, again, we have taken der Fernseher, the article is masculine, der. Now, how would we use it? Das ist ihr Fernseher. So, masculine, so ihr. And again with neutrum, it would be ihr. Das ist ihr Auto. But in feminine, it would be ihre Katze. Das ist ihre Katze. Because die Katze, die is the article, so das ist ihre Katze. Now, what would be used with plural? It would be das sind ihre Bücher. These are her books. So, with feminine and plural, die being the article, we are using the ending e here with possessive pronoun ihre. Now, let's look at the another set of pronouns, that is s. So, again the possessive pronoun would be like it would be sein or seine. Das ist ein Kind. Es ist 5 Jahre alt. So the article here is der, masculine. Again, I have taken Fernseher. So das ist sein Fernseher. Okay, das ist sein Fernseher. Das Auto, das ist sein Auto. Again, the article is das, so das ist sein Auto. With feminine, it would be das ist seine Katze. And with plural, it would be das sind seine Bücher. Das sind seine Bücher. Again, with feminine and plural, it takes the ending e, seine, and with masculine and neutrum, it would be sein. Now let's see another set of pronoun which is now plural, wir, and the possessive pronoun is unser. There is a mistake here. It would be unsere. This would be unsere. Here it would be unsere. So, wir sind eine Familie. The noun we have picked up is Fernseher and the article is there. So, das ist unser Fernseher. This is our television. When we are using it with neutrum, that is das Auto, again here's a spelling mistake, sorry for that, it would be unsere. So, das ist unser Auto because the article is neutrum, das, hence it would be unser, this is our car. So, with feminine, what would be the article with feminine? It would be das ist unsere Katze because the article here is die. So, it would be unsere. Das ist unsere Katze. This is our cat because Katze has the article die which is feminine. So, it has taken the ending e. Same with plural. Das sind unsere Bücher because the plural is the article is the, hence the plural form as of the possessive pronoun would be das sind unsere, it takes the ending e. Now the second person plural is ihr, which means you all in an informal setup, and the possessive pronoun is euer or eure. Euer is the pronunciation or eure. Wie heißt ihr? Woher kommt ihr? So, der Fernseher, masculine, is das euer Fernseher? Is this your television? Now, with neutrum, it would be, is das euer Auto? So, it hasn't taken any ending as such. With masculine and neutrum, it would be euer. But with feminine, it would become eure. Ist das eure Katze? So, it would take the ending e because the article is die Katze. So, ist das eure Katze? Same way, sind das eure Bücher? So, because the article is die plural, hence it would be sind das eure Bücher? Are these your books? Now, sie is you, formal, singular, and then we have sie, you all, formal, plural. For both, the possessive pronoun would be ihr or ihre. Sind Sie Herr Müller? Sind Sie ein Teen? So, der Fernseher, ist das Ihr Fernseher? Is this your television? And with neutrum, is das Ihr Auto? Is this your car? Ist das Ihre Katze? And with, again, with feminine and plural, we are seeing the ending e. Sind das Ihre Bücher? So, with feminine and plural in all the possessive pronouns, the ending is ihre, e. So, in nominative case. Now, We have another set which is Z with small s, which means they, and earer would be the possessive pronoun, which means there in English. Das ist ein Paar. Sie wohnen in Deutschland. Now this S is capital here because it's a new sentence that is starting after the full stop. Hence, otherwise this is usually with small s. So, their Fernseher, das ist ihr Fernseher. This is their television. With masculine, it's ihr. With feminine, it's das ist ihre Katze. It takes the ending e, das ist ihre Katze. This is their cat. With Neutrum, it would be das ist ihr Auto. And with Bücher, it would be das sind ihre Bücher. These are their books. So, with feminine and plural, the article is die, hence it is ihre, and with masculine and Neutrum, it is ihr. So, let's quickly have a glance at it. How would actually it be? Now, let's see, in ich, it would be mine. Let's say masculine is mine, feminine is meine, Neutrum is mine, and plural is meine. So, if you could see E is with red, that means feminine and plural takes the ending E because it has the article die. The noun example, der Hund, die Uhr, das Auto, die Autos. Let's see in du. Dein, deiner, dein, deiner. Same way with it would be masculine would be sein, feminine would be seine, Neutrum would be sein, and plural would be seine. Sie, masculine would be ihr, feminine would be ihre, Neutrum would be ihr, and plural would be ihre. Same way with s, possessive pronoun is sein, so masculine would be sein, feminine would be seine, Neutrum would be sein, and plural would be seine. With sie, it would be ihr, ihre, ihr, and ihre. Now with wir, it is unser, so masculine would be unser, feminine would be unsere, Neutrum would be unser, and plural would be unsere. With ihr, it would be euer, feminine would be eure, Neutrum would be euer, and plural would be eure. With sie, it would be ihr, masculine, feminine would be ihre, Neutrum would be ihr, and plural would be ihre. So that was it. I hope you understood the topic. If you have watched this video till the end, please do give a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video with a new topic. Till then, bye.